Hey there, Huntington homeowners. Dreaming of an outdoor kitchen but worried about limited space? You're not alone. Many of us face the challenge of creating functional outdoor cooking areas in small spaces. But don't worry, I've got some clever design tips to transform even the tiniest patio into a culinary haven. First up, built-in appliances. Opt for built-in grills, refrigerators, and storage to save space and achieve a seamless look. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer too. Think foldable tables and bar height counters for both prep and dining. Let's talk storage. Vertical storage is key. Install wall-mounted shelves and hanging racks to keep your counters clear. And for efficient use of space, consider corner designs with L-shaped layouts. Modular units are fantastic because they're flexible. You can rearrange or expand them over time. All-in-one units that combine multiple functions into one compact solution are also worth considering. Don't forget rolling carts for additional prep surfaces and storage. Need more workspace? Install wall-mounted fold-down countertops that you can use when needed, and select dual-purpose appliances to maximize your cooking options. Finally, add a touch of greenery with vertical gardens. Wall-mounted herb gardens or vertical planters add life to your space without taking up precious room. With these creative ideas, you can design a stylish and functional outdoor kitchen, no matter the size of your space. For more personalized solutions, contact Kitchens. Buy Woody's at 304-814-2268 and let us help you bring your outdoor kitchen vision to life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome home improvement tips.